right, let's do another famous SleepyTini. We all have that wind down hour before we go to bed. Want to get ready for a great night of restful sleep. SleepyTinis are an important part of that wind down time. So, what are we doing today? We are doing a strawberry chamomile SleepyTini. Let's go ahead and get started. In this one, I start off with 3 strawberries. Take off the stems. Put them in our muddling glass. 2. There's 3. So we've got 3 strawberries. Keep our area clean here. We are going to go ahead and put in 1/2 of a lemon. So we're going to strain out our seeds and squeeze. Whoa, this one's really lemony, really filled with juice. Wow. It's kind of escaping the glass some. Okay, we've got the lemon. All right. Chamomile, of course, chamomile tea, fresh brewed. Put that in. And our muddler. You'll notice we do a lot of muddling when we're making these SleepyTinis. Not always, but muddling really helps you get the flavors and the juices out of the fruits and the vegetables that we use. And, you know, no fake syrups here, no fake sugars. I'm not even adding agave to this one because it's going to be sweet enough with the strawberries and all. But you can see those 3 big strawberries are pretty much fully incorporated now. So we'll go ahead and we'll take our martini mixer, put in our drink. This one I'm going to add some ice to. Top it off. And here we go. Okay. Martini. Just got a martini glass. And let's see what we get. Wow. Look at that color. Okay, beautiful color. Wow, really strong strawberry smell. Let's taste it. Oh my gosh. It's like drinking a liquid strawberry, but then you've got that bit of, a little bit of a sting from the lime. It kind of, or the lemon in this case, I'm sorry. It really brightens it and opens it up. Wow. Imagine sitting down in a comfortable chair, reading a book, relaxing before bedtime, having one of these SleepyTinis. I don't know that it gets any better than that. Thanks for joining us, and watch for some more recipes. We got tons of them.